What do you think? Is it possible to identify a stock before momentum? Stock moves up. Every single trader or investor, they have this common question: how to catch a stock before momentum starts. So, first, let us understand the momentum from recent some moments in some stocks. Can you name some stocks which have shown momentum in the recent past? IEX, IRCTC, Adani, Tata Motors, Tata Chem. They are the names of the few stocks which have given good amount of momentum during the past few days or months, right? So let us see their chart. This is IEX. It has given from October, November 2020, December 2020 to October 2000. This is 1 year period of time has given around 340% of return. IRCTC 230% of return. Adani NT it has given 740% of return during 1 year period of time, less than 1 year time rather. Then this Tata Motors in two tranches it has given around 200% of return. This is Tata Chem. It has also given 200% of return, right? So, do you wonder if you could have caught these momentums before they actually starts from the beginning itself? Is there any way to get the indication before it actually starts? It is quite difficult. Yes, it is difficult, but possible. How we are able to say that it is possible? We have been because we have been suggesting few stocks based on our price action analysis. We keep posting our views on our blog platform, that is Discover Stock blogspot.com, as well as this very channel, YouTube channel, Amazing Charts. I strongly suggest you visit https colon double slash discoverstock.blogspot.com. There you'll find good amount of writings and suggestions about the stocks that you can see, go through to gain some knowledge on price action. So we have been posting our views on these platforms, and we'll have a comparative analysis between these stocks then and now. Okay, so some of these stocks have given significant returns just within 2 months of time. So we feel it is possible, and it is possible through price action analysis because we have been doing so, right? Now, Jindward, it was suggested on 7th September. This is the 7th September weekly chart, and the price was chart was showing looking like this. Now, this is the 18 November chart, and it was suggested when it was suggested price was here, and you see the momentum. It is around 100% of return in just less than 2 months of time. From 84 to it has gone past 168, means more than double, right? Blue Dart, it was suggested on 4th September. Now it was suggested here, and now the price has given around 19% return in this period of time. Delta Car, it was suggested here. Now it has from here it has moved up to this point, so around 60% of return in 2 months time. This is the ADSL. This is monthly chart. This monthly chart, why? Because it was to give one understanding about this high, so monthly chart was written given in that blog. Now it was suggested here at this location. Now see the momentum. It is 80% up move from the suggested level. That's touched that one. So still it is going up only. So these stocks. Now this is all Oil India Limited. The suggested from here, and from here it has moved. It has made a high at around 51% up from the suggested level. Similarly, V2 Retail, V2, see some of these stock names you might not have been knowing, but our price action analysis captures these stocks. So that is why we have given our suggestions in our blogs on YouTube channel. So this was suggested on 11th September. Price was here and it has moved to this level and is still going up. It has already given 85% return. Okay. Now Suntech Reality. Similarly, it was suggested from this very low point, bottom point, but and after that, when the price was here, and after that it has moved around 35%. So now you might be feeling how we are able to suggest the stocks at such crucial levels. We are actually developing a price action indicator based on some complex algorithm we are using and developing this. So this is giving indications at lower points. So in our chart, in all of our chart, you might have observed some tiny tangles like this. So these are the actually these tiny triangles indicate potential of price to move up. Based on our price action algorithm, we are able to get these indications on our chart, and based on that we are trading and giving suggestion, right? So we are developing this indicator based on price action, and it is still development is going on. It not yet finalized, but before finalization also started giving us good result. So we hope that it will be very useful for retail investors like us. We'll be providing indications. As we get prior indication of this of any stock to move up, we'll be posting on our YouTube channel as well as in blog, so that people like you, retail traders like you, will be benefited out of it. So please stay tuned to this channel to get an early indication on stocks before actually momentum starts. Please subscribe to get early indication whenever any suggestion video is posted. So thank you so much for your valuable time. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.